Yeah, dear students, I am going to explain sequence series. The second part I am going to explain today. In the previous session, I have completed sequence series part 1. This is sequence series part 2. Most important questions. Maximum questions you can expect in the coming PU board exam, first PUC board exam. Now, I will continue the questions now. I will continue now. The people who joined, please let me know your name in the chat box. I will continue now. See, the previous I have done, the previous session, 16 questions I have completed. Now the 17th one. In an AP, mth term is n and nth term is m, where m not equal to n. Find pth term. So the given AP, mth term is n. So mth term is n means again they are given Tm is equal to n. That means I can write a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. As a given nth term is m, then I can write a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, I can write m. They are asking what is pth term. Now I can solve this. This is d, right? Now if I solve these two equations, if I subtract this, you can think if I subtract this, this is minus a minus n minus, it will come, this will get cancelled. M minus 1 minus n plus 1 into d equal to n minus m. Here you can see here, again minus 1 plus 1 cancel here, you will get m minus n into d equal to, take minus common, m minus n. So from this d is equal to minus of m minus n by m minus n, it gives minus 1. We got d equal to minus 1. So common difference is minus 1. We got common difference is minus 1. Then we will find we got the common difference is minus 1. See here. Now I am going to find the first term now. First, but we know that you take Tm is equal to n. We know that a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. Because d value a plus m minus 1 into, take d is equal to minus 1. You can write n. Then it comes a, I can write a minus m plus n is equal to n. You can see here I am finding here, this is a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. A plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. So here I am trying to find, because d value minus 1. So substitute this. If I simplify this, check that if I simplify what it comes now. If I simplify, this will be a plus a minus m plus 1, correct, which is equal to n. So I want only a is equal to, transfer that side. If I transfer, you will get n plus m minus 1. This is a value. They are asking pth term. I want Tp. So Tp means I will write a plus p minus 1 into d. So a value write n plus m minus 1 plus p minus 1 into d means minus 1. So this will be n plus m minus 1 minus p plus 1. So now I can eliminate here. You can see here. Now I can eliminate minus 1 plus 1. So your answer will be n plus m minus p. That is your required answer. This is important one. So these are 3 marks question. I hope you understood this. If you have doubt, please ask me in the chat box. I can explain again if you need doubt. I can explain again if you have doubt. And now, see that. I am doing the next one now. If ABC are in geometric progression, ABC is geometric progression, and a power 1 by x equal to p power 1 equal to c power 1 by z. Prove that x, y, z are in arithmetic progression. X, y are arithmetic progression. ABC is geometric progression. They are given here. ABC are in GP. They are given. When these are in GP, we know the condition b square is equal to AC. Whenever ABC are in GP, I can write b square is equal to AC. They are given this. B square equal to AC. This is equation 1. They are given a power x. I can consider here a power 1 by x equal to b power 1 by y equal to c power 1 by z is equal to some k. From this equation each is equal I can write. When I have taken each is equal, can I write a power 1 by x is equal to k implies a is equal to, it will be k power x. Transfer 1 by x that side. This is 1 by x. If it transfers, this will become k power x by 1. Similarly, I can write this also, same thing I can write b power 1 by y is equal to k. It comes b is equal to k power y. C power 1 by z is equal to k implies c equal to k power z. But we know that b square is equal to ac from equation 1. From 1 you can see here. You can read from 1 equation 1. We can consider here from 1. We know b square is equal to ac. What is b here? B is k power y whole square equal to a means k power x into k power z. So this will be k power 2y equal to k power x plus z. Both sets of bases are equal. You can equate the powers exponents. You can equate implies 2y is equal to x plus z. When you got 2y equal to x plus z, the conclusion will be x, y, z are in AP. X, y, z are in AP. Whenever 2y equal to x plus z, we can conclude that x, y, z are in AP. It's a simple problem, but important problem. I hope you understood this. If you are not, please ask me. I will repeat again. If you need out, please ask me. I will repeat again. Now, next one. If the sum of a certain number of terms in AP is this one, find the last term. Sum of a certain number of terms in AP is given 116. So I can write the given series. A is equal to 25. Common difference 22 minus 25. T2 minus T1. It will be minus 3. You got minus 3. The given sum of a certain number, let it be Sn is equal to 116. We know formula. What is Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t equal to 116. Sum is given. You should find what is that n value. So n by 2. I can write this one. 2a. This will be 50, right? I can multiply this one. 52 into a 25, 50. N minus 1 into d will be minus 3. 116. So if I simplify this one, it will come. I can take this is n into 50. This will be minus 3n plus 3 equal to multiply 2 into 116. It will be 232. Now this is 50n minus 3n plus 3. 53, it comes 53n. This is 50 plus 53n minus 3n square equal to 232. I should simplify this. So we will get this one, transfer one side. Transfer right side, 3n square minus 53n plus 232 equal to 0. Correct? You find the factors of this. 230 into 3n square, you find the factorization, you do that. You will get 3n square minus 29n, you will get minus 24n plus 232 equal to 0. You know factorization. 29, 24 comes 232 into 3. I can take 3n square common here. If we take 3n common, n minus 29, take minus 24 common, n minus 29 equal to 0. I can consider equal to 0, I can consider here. This is 29. By again n minus 29 common into 3n minus 24. So n is equal to 29 or it becomes n is equal to 14 by 3. correct? You can verify this, the value you can verify this 29 24s, you can verify. Is clear? Understood this? Okay, we got n is equal to n is equal to 14, but we don't want n 14 by 2, we don't want n is equal to 29, we can consider n is equal to 29. So that will be the term right here. We got this one 232, and I have taken 29 terms I have taken. Find the last term they are asking. Find the last term they are asking here. What is the last term they are asking here? We know that a plus tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I can write a is 25, n minus 1 into, I can write here d value. What is the d value now? So the d is minus 3. Correct. Now you can check the value now here. 25 minus 3n plus 3. So they are asking to find n value, right? Check that they are asking to find that value of that. Just verifying, right? Be careful here when simplification. Should be careful simplification. Is clear the factors? You can verify the factorization. Is clear? Correct. Verify the factorization here. When you got this, I got this one. 28 minus 3 into n value, take 29 here. You can simplify that. Whether they're asking what about the last term. Find the last term, they're asking series. Correct? I hope you understood all this. You can find here 116. This is the 29 terms. You will get the last term. Simplify that. No, I have written wrong here. This one. Oh, I think here you can see the thing here. The simplification is, be careful here. I have taken here, this is we got 3n minus 24. This is 14. I have written wrong here. Be careful. I have taken 24 common. See here. Take 24 common. 24n minus 29. N minus 23 n minus 24 equal to 0. We got like this. N is equal to 29r. If n is equal to 8, it comes correct. N is equal to 8. N is equal to 8, it comes here. You can verify when n is equal to 29 or n is equal to 8. Number of times you can verify. Using that you can decide whether it is satisfying or not. If you take n is equal to 8, correct? Because I have taken 3n square minus, oh here you can see here, the common only, this is a mistake here you can see. Be careful when I have taken common. I have taken mistake here. I have taken only n common I have taken. This will be 3n minus 29. This is you can see. Sorry, here you can see the common. Be careful here. These two I can take it only n common. 3n minus 29. Here I can take it this one common here. You can see the common if I take it here. What can I consider a common? Because same thing I should consider means 3n is. So either way I can take it the common these two terms. This you can take common 3n. If we take 3n n minus, it comes 8. 3n minus 8. Then I can take it here 29 common minus 29 common if I take it here n minus, you can see here this will be 8, it comes That is correct. Now n minus 8 into 3n minus 29 equal to 0. N is equal to other one fraction we don't want. You'll get another one is fraction. N is equal to 29 by 3. We don't want this. Correct? Should be careful when you are doing this. N is equal to 8 only your answer. N is equal to 8 your answer. They are asking last term. Tn means a plus n minus 1 into d. A means 25. N 8 minus 1 into d means minus 3. Now you can see 25. This is minus 21. It will be 4 your answer. So be careful when you are doing simplification. If you do small mistake, everything will go wrong. Please verify this. I hope you understood this. I have corrected that what I have done. Okay. I rectified that. Please understood this. If you have doubt, please ask me in the chat box. I got the value now. So this is 4. This is the thing here. Be careful when you are doing common. Right. Now here I can take it this one. See here the next problem. Insert 3 numbers between 1 and 256 so that the resulting sequence is in GP. Insert 3 numbers between 1 and 256 so that the resulting sequence is a GP. So the resulting sequence is a GP means you can write here. They are asking 3 numbers. They are asking here. I can write 1, G1, G2, G3, 256. These terms are in GP. When I have taken all these terms are in GP. Are in geometric progression. The first term is 1. 256 is the fifth term. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth term is T5. T5 is equal to 256. But we know here the first term A is equal to 1. A is equal to first term A is equal to 1. Next to T5 is equal to 256. T5 means A into R power 5 minus 1. 256. But we know A is equal to 1. R power 4 is equal to, check that here. You can write this value. I got R power 4 is equal to, this one you can see here. What can I write the power here? Because I am trying to find R value here. You can see this one in terms of 16, this is 16 square means 4 power, you will get 4 power 4. Is it 4 power 4? Correct? Then R is equal to 4, I can compare, right? A value 1, 5 minus 1, R power 4. This is 4 power 4. From this I get that R is equal to 4. We got R is equal to 4. Correct? R equal to 4 we will get. Or if you want to write, you can write, yes, I got R is equal to 4, right? The series is, I have taken R is equal to 4, I got. Some people they will write R square is equal to 16, R equal plus or minus 4 also, they can consider. They may consider plus or minus 4 also. They can consider like this also. I have written R equal to 4. When you take R is equal to 4, we know that G1 is T2 second term. Second term is AR. AR means I can write 1 into, I can write 4, it will be 4. G2. G2 means T3. AR square. 1 into 4 square. 4 square means you get 16. G3. T4. AR cube. 1 into 4 cube. It will be 64. I can find like this. Some people they have written R equal plus or minus 4. Suppose they have written R equal plus or minus 4. They have taken some people they may write R power 4 equal to, they are given 4 power 4 means they will write here again. They can also write, see what they will do now. R power 4 equal to, they are given 256. R square is equal to 16. R equal to plus or minus 4 they may consider. Then you can write case 1 R equal to 4, you do this. Case 2 R equal to minus 4, you can do that. This will be enough. If you do that like this, do case 1, case 2. R equal to 4, case 1 R equal to minus 4, case 2 we can do that. I have taken only positive terms. This also correct, this also can do that. R equal plus 4, case 1, case 2 R equal to minus 4. You can continue the problem. 2 cases you can do that. I have done only one case here. Positive case I have written. negative case also we can do that. That is also correct. Both cases are correct. When I have taken this is r equal to 4, I have taken r equal to minus 4 also, we can solve the problem. No issue, can do that. For 3 marks, one case I have done, that will enough. Another case also, if we take r equal to minus 4 also, we can solve the problem. Right. Now, because the possible answer I have written understood here. If I read r equal plus or minus 4, when you got r power 4 equal to 4 plus or minus 4, case 1 r equal to 4, case 2 similarly, in the place of r equal to minus 4 you take it, another set of numbers you will get. Next, the sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 13 by 12 and their product is minus 1. Find the common ratio. Sum of first 3 terms of a GP 13 by 12, their product is minus 1. When they are given like this, I can consider let A by R, A, R be the first 3 terms of GP. Be the first 3 terms of, I can consider be the first 3 terms of GP. First 3 terms of a GP. I have taken these are first 3 terms of a GP I have taken. Now they are given 3 terms of a GP. Sum is this A by R plus AR equal to 13 by 12. The product A by R into AR equal to minus 1. Then you can simplify, R will get cancelled. You will get A cube is equal to minus 1 whole cube. So if we compare A minus 1 whole cube, if we compare A is equal to minus 1, I got A is equal to minus 1. We will get like this. If you put A equal to minus 1, I can take it A common. 1 by R plus 1 plus R equal to 13 by 12. Put A equal to minus 1, I can take that value this side, right? It will come now 1 by R plus R equal to minus 13 by, because A is equal to minus 1. Put A equal to minus, to take this side, plus 1 you transfer this side. This will be minus 25 by 12. Simplify this. Now you will get the simplification 1 plus R square by R is equal to minus 25 by 12. If I simplify 12R square plus 12R is equal to minus 25R, transfer one side, 12R square, correct? Just I have taken this one. 1 plus R square, you will get 12R square plus 12 this one. Be careful here. 12R square plus 12 minus 25R, transfer one side. 12R square plus 25R plus 12 equal to 0. Correct? You can check that. I should simplify this. 12 for 144 means 12R square minus 16R plus 9R plus 12 equal to 0. Take now 3R common, or you can take 4R common. This is 3R plus 4. I can take here. Here also I can take it 3 common here. 3R plus 4 equal to 0. If I simplify 3R plus 4 into 4R plus 3 equal to 0. Then R equal to minus 4 by 3 or minus 3 by 4. I got this value. But they are asking common ratio only. Only find the common ratio. R equal to minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3 or R equal to minus 3 by 4. So that will be our required answer. Because they are asking only common ratio. I hope you understood this. If you don't, please ask me. I will repeat the problem. Is it clear? I understood this. If you have any doubt, please ask me. I will repeat the problem if you have doubt. I hope you understood this right. Now I am doing the next one now. Find the sum of n terms of AP whose kth term is. Find the sum of n terms of AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. They are asking sum of n terms of an AP. When they are asking sum of n terms of AP, we have different methods. The kth term is tk is given 5k plus 1. Tk is 5k plus 1. Using sum of n terms, I can do the problem easily. I can do this problem. Tk equal to 5k plus 1. What is Tn? Tn means replace k with n. 5n plus n. They are asking sum of n terms. Sn is equal to sigma Tn. They can write sigma 5n plus 1. This will be 5 into sigma n sigma 1. 5. What is sigma n formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma 1 is n. Remember, when they are using sum of n terms, always remember sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. I will tell you all this. Sigma n square, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n cube, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Remember these values. Sigma n. It is required to find the sum of n terms. Now you can see I have written this one. I can simplify this. 5 into 5n square plus 5n plus 2n by 2. Check the answer here. 5n square plus 7n by 2. So 5n square plus 7n by 2. Like this we can do that using sigma. Sir, can I do another way? Substituting k is equal to 1 first term, second term. I will get common difference and first term. T1 means first term. Find T2. Find common difference. Then use sum of n terms formula. It gives same result. 5n square plus 7n by 2. Only the answer will be same thing it comes. But right side what I have written, you should remember sigma n square, sigma n cube. You should remember the values. To solve definite one 4 mark question, we should use that to solve 4 marks question. Now you can see here. How many terms of the GP 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4 are needed to give the sum 3699 by 512. Given the terms are GP. So A is equal to 3 is given. Common ratio T2 by T1. I can write 3 by 2. So by, we'll write 3. 3 by 2 by 3, it comes 1 by 2, which is less than 1. Common ratio is less than 1. I know the formula we have, right? The formula we have, this one. Needed sum, write it Sn is equal to 3069 by 512. What is Sn? A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r equal to 3069 by 512. Replace A with 3. If replace A with 3, 3 into 1 minus, I get it 1 by 2 whole power n by 1 minus 1 by 2, 3069 by 512. Now if I simplify this, 3 I can take this side. This will become, right, I can write 1 minus 1 by 2 power n equal to 3069 by 512. So this 3 I can take it 1 by 3. Here you will get 1 by 2. Take this side, it will be into 1 by 2, correct? And thus this 3 will come down. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 is off. This will be off, right? So denominator will be off. That also you do cross multiplication. So this will be 1 by 2, right? 1 minus off, you do cross multiplication. Then it will come here 1023. 1 minus 1 by 2 power n equal to 1023 by 1024. This is 512 into 2. So transfer 1 that side, you will get 1 by 2 power n. 1 minus 1023 by 1024. As you take LCM, this will be 1 by 1024. 1 by 2 power 10. So we got 2 power n is equal to 2 power 10. Understood? Simplify this. 1024 minus 1023 by 1024. It will come 1024 is nothing but 2 power 10. Comparing both sides, 2 power n equal to 2 power 10. N is equal to 10. This is the required answer. n is equal to n is the required answer. N is equal to n is the required. I hope you understood this. Please, if you have doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat again the problems. If you have doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat the problem. Any number of times I can repeat. If you have doubt in the chat box, please ask me. I am here to explain again and again. I am here to explain again and again. I will do that any number of times. Now, you can see the next problem now. If p, q are terms of a GP or ABC respectively, prove that a power q minus r, b power r minus p, c power p minus q is equal to 1. The terms are respectively, prove that a power q minus r, b power r minus p, c power p minus q is equal to 1. When the term are ABC respectively they are given here, to understand here, I will write let a be the first term. Let a be the first term. You can consider capital A be the first term of the GP. Let capital A be the first term and capital R be the common ratio. And capital R be the common ratio. You can consider capital R be the common ratio. You can consider let capital R be the common ratio. Capital R be the common ratio I have taken. Then they are given pth term is Tp is equal to, they are given Tp is equal to A. Pth term is A. Pth term is I can write A into R power P minus, so I will write capital letters. Capital A and R power P minus 1 equal to the given A. Again TQ is equal to the given B. TQ is equal to B is given. See, observe when the given TQ is equal to B, A into R power Q minus 1 is equal to B. Next the given TR is equal to C. TR means I can write A into R power R minus 1 is equal to C. The given, these are the values they are given. This is TR. Now you take the expression. You take the LHS expression, you take A power Q minus R. You take the expression A power Q minus R, B power R minus P, C power P minus Q. You take this. What is A means I can write capital A into R power P minus 1. I can write this one. Whole power this Q minus R. Next A into R power Q minus 1 into R minus P. A into R to the power of R minus 1. And C means R minus 1 into, you will get P minus Q. This is a symbol taken here. All our product bases are equal, means A power. You can add the powers of A, Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q into R to the power of product of this P minus 1 into Q minus R plus Q minus 1 into R minus P, because the bases are equal, powers we can add, plus R minus 1 into P minus Q. You can see now if you observe this one, I can eliminate this, right? So all this will get cancelled. A power 0. Same R as expand, everything will get cancelled. You expand this, you will get PQ minus PR minus Q plus R. You expand this plus QR minus PQ minus R plus P. Again plus PR minus QR minus P plus Q. Everything will get cancelled here. The terms, everything will get cancelled. Check that all terms are here. A power 0 is 1. You will get A power 0, which is equal to A power 0 is this A power 0 into R power 0. But we know that 1 into 1, your answer is 1. I hope you understood this. If you have doubt, please ask me, I will repeat again. And if you have any doubt, please ask me, I will repeat again and again. I am here to repeat. I will explain again if you want. Please update in the chat box if you have doubt. I can repeat this. If you have doubt, please ask me in the chat box. I will repeat this. Please solve these problems. Definitely you are able to get minimum marks 90 you can score. Minimum marks 90 you can score. Okay, fine, Neha. Then the number of bacteria. These are expected question. Question number 25 is expected question. The number of certain bacteria in a certain say the number of bacteria in a certain time double every hour. If there are 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, how many bacteria will present at the end of second hour, fourth hour and nth hour? The bacteria in a certain time double means it is in the case it show it actually the doubling is showing as a GP. It's a GP. The series in GP. The bacteria present will be in the GP series. I can write here the initial bacteria, let it be A. A is equal to 30 bacteria. Initial bacteria 30 0 hour. A is equal to 30 bacteria. So you can think about this is 0 hour. So 0 over 30 bacteria, you can remember 0 hour. 0 over 30 bacteria. A equal to 30. They're telling here certain time double every hour. Double every hour means common ratio. It will be 2 hours every hour. Double. It's a double for every hour. Every hour is a double twice. It will be twice. R is equal to 2. It will be twice. They're asking at the end of second hour. So when they're talking about at the end of second hour means, see here, be careful here. They're saying here, simple problem. At the end of second hour. End of second hour means the third term will start. This will be a T3 third term. T3 means we know AR square. So A is 30 into R square. So 2 square, 4. 30 into 4. That will be 120. That will be our answer. 30 into 4. Just you multiply. 30 into 4. 2 square is 4. 120. At the end of third hour. Sir, fourth hour. At the end of, they are asking at the end of fourth hour. And at the end of fourth hour means it will be T5. Because after fourth hour means it enters T5. It will be AR power 5 minus 1, AR power 4. Correct. GP, AR power 5 minus 1, 4. So 30 into 2 power 4, 16. You will get 30 into 16. It will be 480. 30 into 16. It will be 480. At the end of nth hour. So they are asking at the end of fourth hour. Again they are asking what is in nth hour. Oh, they are asking nth hour only. They are asking at the end of second hour, fourth hour we got it. Next and the nth hour they are asking. What about the bacteria will present end of second hour? Correct? They are asking how many bacteria will present at the end of second hour, fourth hour. That they are asking. Will be present end of second hour, fourth hour, and they are asking nth hour also they are asking right. Should be careful, they are asking all the nth hour also they are asking right. So you can check that. What about the bacteria in nth hour? Just apply the common sense here, you can find this right. They are asking about the bacteria, which hour they are increasing, each and hour right. End of second hour, fourth hour. Correct? Right? You can verify this. You will get. They are asking nth hour, right? At the end of nth hour. End of nth hour means it will be Tn plus 1, right? A into R power n. So 30 into, correct? 30 into 2 power n. That's all. 30 into 2 power n, your answer here. 30 into 2 power n. That will be end of nth hour. Right? You look at the end of nth hour. We get like this 25th. Next 26. With this I can complete all the problems of this. You can see here the difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degrees. If the smallest angle is 120 degrees, find the number of sides of the polygon. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Please observe this problem. You can see here The given difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degrees. That means common difference is given, 5 degrees is given. Smallest angle means first A is, let A be the first term. A is equal to 120 degrees. Consider D equal to 5 degrees. Common difference is 5 degrees because between any two consecutive interior angles is 5 degrees. Now first term is 120 degrees. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Find the number of sides of the polygon. But we know that sum of the interior angles. Sum of the interior you can find here. You can write SN is equal to sum of the interior angles. Sum of the interior angles. What is sum of the interior angles? Always remember sum of the interior angles. Sum of the interior angles is equal to sum of the interior angles. It will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. This is sum of the interior angles, Sn. If we use this, we have formula right. I get that Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct, Sn I have taken n minus 2 into 180. Our convenient, n by 2 into 2a, 2 into a 120 plus n minus 1 into d means I can write 5. I can take 5 common from this, right? If I take 5 common, 5n by 2, it will come 5 common, 48. That this is 5 I have taken common, 5 24s. 48, this one I can take it 5 common, plus n minus 1. I am doing simply way I have taken this. But left side why n minus 180. I am going to simplify this, right? So I can write this one n minus 2 into 180. This I can write here 2 by 5 n into this side it become 48 minus 1 47 n 47 correct 48 47 plus n. If I do the cross, this one I can write 536. I can simplify. This will be 72 n minus 144, right, equal to 47n plus n square. To transfer one side, I can write n square plus 47n. I have written this one. I check that 72n. 47 and 72n. The difference you can check that. What it comes now? Is it 25? So minus 25n plus 144 equal to 0. Find the factors n minus 16 into n minus 9. So you will get n is equal to 9 or 16. But we don't want to consider 16. If you take 16, sum of 16 angles will get more than 180 it comes. More than 180. If there is a 16, you can avoid this. Only our answer is n is equal to 9. Why? Because you consider n is equal to 16. If it is 16 sides, the interior angles will get, the angle will be, you get more than 180 it comes. And if you take n equal to 16, it becomes more than 180. We don't want this. N is equal to 9, it will be your final answer. If you want, you can verify. Term T16 you find, it comes around 195. The angle, it comes 195. This is sum of the interior angles. Find only T16, it comes 195. You can do that. You can verify that. But here you can enough. We'll get consider n is equal to 9. Since y 16, if you take 16, you will get T16 term. It comes. If you want to verify here, since T16 comes 195, it is greater than 180 degrees, then you can avoid this. That's the reason. Okay. To avoid 16 here, I can write that T16 will be 195. It is greater than 180. Greater than 180. That is the reason we don't want this. N is equal to 9. That will be your answer. The important problem only. Now in 3 marks question, the last problem I am going to explain. After 4 marks, we have around 4 to 5 problems. Definite one 4 mark question, you are able to answer this. One 4 mark question also should answer this. Now you can check here. They are given a power n plus b power n by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 is the am between a and b. Find the value of n. The given this is am between a and, but we know that am between a and b is a plus b by 2. Given that, we know that a power n plus b power n by a power n minus 1. I can write this one, a power n minus 1 b power n is equal to am between a and b is a plus b by 2. If you do cross multiplication, 2a power n, 2b power n, just you multiply this one, a power n minus 1 into a. Like a power n minus 1 into a, it will become a power n. You will get plus b into a power n minus 1. Multiply with b, a into b power n minus 1. Plus b power n minus 1 into b. So p power 1, it will become b power n. Correct? A power n, b power n, transfer this side. 2a power n, 2b power n minus a power n minus b power n equal to, this side I can have ba whole power n minus 1, ab whole power n minus 1. Correct? You can get this one I can write. Correct? This one I can consider b into a power n. Correct? I can verify this. This is I can write a power n minus 1, b into a power n minus 1, a into p power n minus 1. This one, if you remove this 2a power n, a power n, a power n, b 2b power n, b power n plus b power n equal to b into a power n minus 1, a into p power n minus 1. So whatever my convenient, I can take it a power n minus, you transfer a b power n minus 1. Or I can write, which is a combination of this is a b a power n minus 1. Here a b whole power n minus, transfer b power n this side. Just you transfer. Now you can see here, this I can write, this is a power n. This I can b into a power n by a I can write. This was a into b power n by b I can write, minus b power n. Now you can observe here, I can take it a power n common here. If you take a power n 1 minus b by a. Here I can take it again. If you take this one b power n common, you take minus b power n common, you get 1 minus a by b. You can take the common here. So you can see here a power n into a minus b by a. This is minus b power n into b you are getting, I think you can take it as it is common. No need to minus also. If you take b power n common, it will be a by b minus 1. Then you will get b power n into a minus b by b. This should take LCM. A minus b by b, correct? This will be a minus b by b. Now you can see, you can simplify this. A minus will get cancelled here. A power n by a, this one. This I can write this one. A power n by b power n. This a I can take this side. A by b. I can write a by b whole power n is equal to a by b whole power 1. Comparing both sides, n is equal to 1 is the required answer. N equal to 1 is the required answer. So these are 3 marks questions. With this, I have completed all the 3 marks questions. Now I am going to explain around 4 to 5 problems of 5 marks. No doubt in that they will ask 1 question. No doubt in that. The paper will come from this only. I am going to explain around 4 to 5 problems. In that one 4 mark question, definite, no doubt in that. Definitely you are able to answer this. Simple technique we can follow that. We can solve all the 4 mark questions. I am explaining the 4 marks questions now. Just verify the 4 marks questions now. Before doing 4 marks, you should know the values of sigma n. I told you this one time. Sigma n, you should know that. Sigma n value. You take sigma n, n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n square, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n cube. This is correct, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Remember this. You are finding sum of n terms. See the first factors I can take here. 3, 6, 9. The first factors you can see. 3, 6, 9 are in AP. I want nth term of these are terms are in AP. We know here the first term A is equal to 3. Common difference 6 minus 3, that is 3. Here I can find Tn, A plus n minus 1 into D. You substitute the value here, it comes 3 plus n minus 1 into 3. It will become 3 minus, you can see here, you will get only 3 and it comes. The first factors. Second factors you can consider 8, 11, 8, 11, 14 and so on. These are also AP. Here you can see A is equal to 8. Common difference is 11 minus 8, 3. Correct. What is nth term? Again try to find nth term here. Again here if you find nth term in this case, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 8 plus n minus 1 into 3. You simplify. This will become 3n plus 5. Correct? 3n plus, that means the given seed, they are asking to find the sum to n terms of series I can find. When they are asking n terms of the series, now observe here. I can write now Sn is equal to sigma nth term sigma Tn. Because Tn is a product of these two terms. Sn is equal to sum of n terms is equal to sigma capital Tn. I will write sigma. What is Tn means? Product of these two, 3n into 3n plus 5 sigma, this will be 9n square plus 15n. Apply sigma now. If apply sigma, 9 sigma n square plus 15 sigma n. We know that 9 into sigma n square, this is 9. Sigma n square, this is a value. Again n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Plus 15 into sigma n into n plus 1 by 2. n into n plus 1 by 2. Now I should simplify here, that is important here. The simplification is important. You can take it common here. n into n plus 1 by 2, I can take it common. n into, even 3, I get it 3n into 3n into n plus 1 by 2. If I take common here, why? Because this one, 3 2s, 3 3s. I can take it 3n by n into n plus 1 by 2 common here. This will be n plus, I have taken n plus 1 common. n into n plus 1. 2n plus 1. 2n plus, I have taken common, right? 3n into n plus 1 by 2 common. 2n plus 1. Here I have taken n plus 1, n into n plus 1. It will come only 5. 5. So it will come 3 into n plus 1. It will be 2n plus 6 by 2. It will come 2n plus 1 plus 5. Okay, I have taken 3 common. Now if you want this one again 2, I can eliminate. I can take 2 common here. This will become 3n into n plus 1 into, if we take 2 common, n plus 3. Like this is the required result. Because you take 2 common here, you can cancel this 2. So 3n into n plus 1 into n plus 3 were answered. So this model is definite. In part E, they are asking for 4 marks. Part E, this is 4 marks question. No doubt they will ask this type of question 4 marks. I hope you understood this. Now my expected question is question number 29. I am expecting. Question number 29 is my expected question. Question number 29, they may give. Question number 29, I am expecting that question. Maximum chances are there to ask this question. Simple problem. Find the sum to enter the series. You can see all consecutive terms. Look into the second and nth term because they given 1, 2, 3. Nth term will be n. I can add nth term of the series. I can write nth term is equal to n consecutive numbers. Next one n plus 1. Next one n plus 2. See all 3 consecutive terms. Nth term is equal to n into n plus 1, n plus 2. I can multiply n into, you multiply this 1n. This is n plus 1 into n plus 2. N square plus, this is 2n plus 3n plus 2. n square plus 3n plus 2. Again if you multiply n cube plus 3n square plus 2n, applying sigma, Sn is equal to sigma capital T n nth term, sigma n cube plus 3n square plus 2n, applying sigma n cube plus 3 into sigma n square, 2 into sigma n. Just apply the formula. In the previous problem, right side I have given the values. Sigma n cube, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Sigma n square, 3 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. 2 into sigma n into n plus 1 by 2. You can simplify this. I can take it n into n plus 1 by 2 common. Then you simplify. You take n into n plus 1 by 2 common. N into n plus 1 by 2, you can take it common here. If you take this common, this will become n into n plus 1 by 2 plus I have taken n into n plus 1 by 2 common. This will become 3 into 2n plus 1 by, I think this also I have taken 3 into I have taken 2 common by 3 plus I have taken n into n plus 1 by 2, because that will be 2. It will come like this. Correct? Now you should simplify this. If I simplify, it gives the required answer. Just you simplify. Outside will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Inside you can see here, this 3 will get cancelled. N into n plus 1 by 2. Take LCM. This will be 4n plus 2 plus 4 by, it comes 2. So you can simplify this one. I can write n into n plus 1. This is, I can add this n square plus n plus 4n plus 2 plus 6 by 2 2's 4. That's a simplification only. So it comes now n into n plus 1, n square plus 5n plus 6. This is 5n, 6 by 4. If you want, you can find factors n plus 2 and n plus 3. Find the factors of n square plus 5n plus 6. That will be n plus 2 and n plus 3. Or you can stop here. You can see this is an expected question. Next, find the sum to n terms of the series. Another 3 more problems are there. That's all. Find the sum to n terms of the series. Find the sum to n terms of the series. Find the sum to n terms of the series. Alright. Correct. The next one we'll see now. See another problem now. We will do the next problem now. Find the sum to n terms of the series 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 7 into 3 square and so on. When I have taken like this, again first term 3, 5, 7 odd numbers. So 3, 5 and so on are in AP. Just take the terms 3, 5, 7 and so on AP. So here A is equal to 3. Common difference is, I know, 5 minus 3, 2. So in this case, T, what is Tn? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 3 plus n minus 1 into 2. So it comes now 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1, odd numbers, 2n plus 1. Similarly, you can see 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Nth term will be n square. The given 1 square, 2 square, and so on, it will be n square. Finally, nth term of the given series Think about nth term, therefore nth term of the given series. I can write nth term of the given series. Nth term of the given series will be, I can write 2n plus 1 into, it will be n square. 2n plus 1 into n square it comes. n plus 1 into n square. Nth term of the given series. This is nth term of the given series. In the given series. Now you can multiply this. So this is nth term of the given series I am getting here. Right. Now we will find sigma. Again find Sn is equal to sigma of nth term of this is. I can write multiply this. I can expand this one. I can simplify this. If I simplify, this is equal to this will become 2n cube plus n square. 2n cube plus n square it comes. If I apply sigma into 2n cube plus n square. So this will become 2 into sigma n cube plus sigma n square. So I can write now 2 into sigma n cube n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Sigma n square n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. This is n into n plus 1. The 2n plus 1 by 6. I should simplify this. Because you have taken, correct, 2n plus 1 n square you have taken right nth term, odd numbers into n square. Multiplying 2n cube plus n square. 2 into sigma n cube, sigma n square. You simplify. You take n into n plus 1 by 2 comma. This will be, it will go like this, right? You simplify. So just simplification only important here. Simplification you do, that will be enough. You take n into n plus 1 by 2 common. N into n plus 1 by 2 take common. If you take n into n plus 1 by 2 common, this will become n into n plus 1 remaining terms plus you take an n into n plus 1 by 2 common. This will be 2n plus 1 by 3. You simplify again. N into n plus 1 by 2. You take LCM this one, 3n square plus 3n plus 2n plus 1 by 3. You take LCM. This will come n into n plus 1. This will 3n square plus 5n plus 1 by it comes 6 whole by 6. That will be required answer. That will be required, that whole by 6. Just practice. See, it's easy only. Don't take too much tension. Please cool. You can solve this. You will get the answers. And the 2 more problems is there. It takes almost 10 to 12 minutes. I am going to complete the session. Now you can see now. When I have taken this, find the sum to n terms of the series 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Here I can write nth term of the series. So if you write nth term, just you think about what is nth term of the given series. Again nth term of the given, I can write nth term of the given series. Nth means first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Nth bracket will be 1 square plus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on plus n square. How sir? First bracket only 1 term, second bracket 2 terms, third bracket 3 terms, consecutive squares. Nth bracket n terms from 1 square to n square. But this value we know that. This value we know that n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, we know sigma n square. So I can write this is I can multiply this n by 6 into multiply this 2n square plus n plus 2 plus 3n plus 1. Again you multiply with n, it comes now 1 by 6 into 2n cube plus 3n square plus n, it comes. Now applying sigma now. I should apply sigma. If apply sigma, Sn is equal to sigma of nth term of this. Sigma of nth term. Sigma of nth term of the given series. Sigma of nth term. So I can write, I can apply sigma 1 by 6 into 2 into sigma n cube, 3 into sigma n square, sigma n, apply sigma, 2 into, this is sigma, sigma n cube, 3 into sigma n square plus sigma n. We should expand, we should simplify. It comes now 1 by 6 into 2 into sigma n cube, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, 3 into sigma, again sigma n square, we got it here, correct, 3n square, again 3 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, sigma n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2. This you simplify. I can take it n into n plus 1 by 2 common. Just you simplify, that's all. 6 I have taken outside only. You take n into n plus 1 by 2 common. That will be final answer. You will get n into n plus 1 by 2 take common. 6 already we have 2. Inside it will come n into n plus 1. You have taken 2 common. Plus n into n plus 1 common plus 2n plus 1. You have taken n into n plus 1 by 2 common. That will be 1. So this is n into n plus 1. Inside you see this is n square plus n plus 2n, 3n, 1 plus 1, it will be 2. N square plus 3n plus 2 by 12 it comes. That will be our answer. Find factors of this one. N plus 1 and n plus 2, can find the factors or you can leave it. The last sum now. I'm going to, this is the last term. So this question many times they ask in the PU exam. Find the sum to n terms of series. One more problem is there. After this one more problem is there. You can see here. This problem many number of times they ask in the PU exam. Question number 33, most important one. Question number 33, most important one, this one. They ask a number of times. Find the sum to n terms of the series. Most important one. This problem. This is a simple only, just I am going to explain this. Just observe this one. It takes another less than 10 minutes to complete the session. Less than 10 minutes. Now you can see here. Find the sum to n terms of the series. You write Sn is equal to 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29. I want sum of n terms. And so on, plus you write Tn. Again same thing, you write Sn, this is Sn, sum of n terms. Again Sn is equal to one term gap. Repeat the same series 5, 11, 19. Okay, and so on I can write. 9, 11, 9, this again 5, 11. But this is 95, 11, 19. And so on. This is Tn minus 1. Tn minus 1. Plus Tn I can take it. You subtract this. This got difference of two terms. If I subtract minus, if I keep this one minus, 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 and minus, if I subtract this, this will be 0. You will get 5. 11 minus 5, 6. 19 minus 11, 8. It comes, because this is 11, 19. The given series. So again 29 we have. 29, 9 you will get 29 minus 19. It comes 10. 10 and so on. I am talking about this one. Difference of this. From here, from 5 to here, n minus 1 terms. From here, this is n minus 1 terms. Minus Tn. What I have done? I have subtracted here. From 6 to up to here, n minus 1 terms. This is n minus 1 terms I have written. N minus 1 terms minus Tn. minus Tn you transfer this side, Tn is equal to, you will get 5 plus, see total we have n minus 1 terms. I am trying to find nth term of the series, most important problem. This minus Tn transfer this at Tn is equal to 5 plus, these terms are in AP. We have A is equal to 6, common difference 8 minus 6, common difference 8 minus 6, right, you get 8 minus 6, that will be 2, common 8 minus, that is, common difference is 2, correct. Total n minus 1 terms we have, so n minus 1 by 2, 2a plus 2a means 2 into 6, n minus 1 into d means 2, I am finding Tn, so this will be 5 plus n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2 into this will, I can take 2 common here, 2 common, I get this 2, I can get cancel this one, take 2 common, n minus 1 into, this will be 6 plus n minus 2, then you will get 5 plus n minus 1 into, you can see this is n plus 4. You simplify this, if I simplify, this will become 5 plus n square plus 4n minus n plus 3n minus 4, it will be n square plus 3n plus 1 it comes, that is nth term of the series. I got nth term of the series, but they are asking sum of n terms. To find sum of n terms, you should find Sn is equal, next Sn is equal to sigma Tn. Sigma Tn means n square plus 3n plus 1. So which is equal to sigma n square plus 3 into sigma n, sigma 1 you should consider. Sigma n square. Now you can see here, when I have taken this sigma n square, I can write n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, sigma n, n into n plus 1 by 2, sigma 1 is n, because 1 n times I should consider, n into n plus 1 by 2, I hope you understood this right, n into n plus sigma 1 is n into n plus 1 by 2, sigma 1 is n. Now you take common, you simplify here, that's all. Simplification part, I hope you can do this. Take n into n plus 1 by 2 common, you simplify. Or from this only, from these two I can take it n into n plus 1 by 2 common. Or you can leave it. Or you can take the common, you can simplify, or you can leave it here. So that is a term important problem, this one they may ask this one the exam. So just shoot, if you are able to simplify, take common n, only you will get n common. Take n common, you simplify. The last problem now. It takes 2-3 minutes. This is a simple problem. I am going to complete the last problem now. This was one of the important problem. They are asking find the sum to n terms of series. See now here. In this problem, 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4. You see consecutive terms 1 into 2, 2 into 3. So what is the nth term you can think? Nth term will be 1 by, you see the first term, 1, 2, 3 means n. We are adding one term for this, like this. Nth term is 1 by n into n plus 1. That's all, 1 by n into n plus 1. They are asking sum to enter the series. So what I will do now, you take the given problem. 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 3 into 4, simple way. And so on plus 1 by n into n plus 1. See what I am doing, our convenient. This one can I write 2 minus 1 by 1 into 2. So why? Because the reason I will tell you simplification. 2 minus 1 is 1. This numerator 1, 3 minus 2 by 2 into 3. This numerator 4 minus 3 by, because that is 1 right, 3 into 4. You write numerator 4 minus 3 by 3 into 4. and the denominator is into. Don't confuse, this is not, the only dot means into only. This is a simple problem, important problem. 3 into 4. And so here is the same thing, difference of n plus 1 minus n is 1 by n into n plus 1. We know that, you remember, whenever a minus b by ab is here, if it is like this I can write a by ab, 1 by b minus 1 by a we can write, correct? How sir, you split this? A by ab, 1 by b minus 1 by a we can write. Correct? Same way, I will do now, what I will do now, this one I can write 2 minus 1, 2 by 1 into 2. See the right hand side, what I explained? Same thing, you write 2 by 1 into 2. 2 by 1 into minus, so I have written this one. Just you can see here, this is a 2 by 1 into minus 1 by 1 into 2. So 3 by 2 into 3, minus 2 by 2 into 3, plus 4 by 3 into 4. You observe here, minus 3 by 3 into 4, and so on, plus the last theorem, n plus 1 by n into n plus 1 minus n by n into n plus 1. Now you can simplify, this 2 will get cancelled, here 1 will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, 4 will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled, n plus 1, here n will get cancelled. See what the term it remains, remaining, you can check the remaining terms now. This is equal to 1 minus, it will come 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, plus 1 by 3, correct, minus 1 by 4, and so on, plus 1 by n, minus 1 by n plus 1, 1 by n plus 1. You can see here, in all the terms you can check that here, minus 1 by 2, this you can see here, correct, minus 1 by 2 plus will get cancelled, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. The negative term with the positive will get cancelled, all this, correct, everything will get cancelled, correct, you understood this, everything will get cancelled, this also, minus plus will get cancelled, the final 1 minus 1 by n plus it remains, take LCM, n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, answer is n by n plus 1. You can verify your answer correct or not. Put n is equal to 1, first term it comes. I got n by n plus 1. Put n is equal to, you get. If you put n is equal to 2, it comes 2 by 3. Combination of these two. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. You can combination of that. You can verify whether the answer is correct or not. You can verify that. Right? You will get the answer. This is n by n plus 1 is your answer. I hope you understood this. So with this, I have completed the session. This is an important problem. They mark this question also possible is there. With this, I have completed sequence series completely. The next chapter I am going to do on Friday evening. Yeah, next class will be on Friday evening. Thank you. Yeah, if you like the session, like it, your choice. If you are happy with the session, please like the session. Write in the comment box also. If you are not subscribed, please you can subscribe also. You will get notification. You can subscribe the channel, you will get notification always. If you have forgot also, you will not get notification. This time class will be there. You can find the notification also. I hope you will get good score in the coming board exam. Please follow this. See you on Friday evening. Bye bye.